Hello, this is Matt from Roundstone Van Centre. Today we get this 2017 Ford Transit tipper with Toolbox. It's available from as little as £114 per week and is Euro 6, has an alloy body, a toolbox as you can see here, a Bluetooth radio, and has had one owner from new. Let's take a look in the front. Now as you can see up front, you've got 3 seats. Got your Bluetooth radio there and your 6-speed gear stick there, and just up here you've got your tipper controls. Now here is your toolbox. So you've got 3 levels to it there, nice bit of room. And this is your tipper body. We will be showing you the tipper body after the walk round. This is the other side of the toolbox. And lastly, I'll show you on the passenger side. And now we'll show you the tipper. Okay. Let's take a look. Let's take it on a test drive. So we're now sat inside this 2017 Ford Transit tipper. We'll take it on a quick test drive, so let's start her up. As you can see, starts first time, no issues or weird sounds. Let's go. Now, as I said earlier, it's a 6-speed van. Has a really nice acceleration and shifts through the gears really nicely as well. Has no issues getting up to a good speed either. Now as we approach the roundabout, I'm going to do a quick brake test. Brakes are lovely and responsive and don't pull at all when I brake. And as you can see, the steering is really nice and responsive as well. That's going to be it for the 2017 Ford Transit tipper with Toolbox.